What is the best social media platform to make money, find money, and raise money? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you got it. I'm going to tell you exactly what platform you should be using to make money, find money, and raise money. But it's not going to be till the end of the video. So do stick around because we need to go through the other platforms and why you shouldn't be wasting your time on some of them because they're not going to serve the purpose for you. There's a lot of clout out there. There's a lot of pretending you've got money, but not all of them are going to be the right platform for you, depending on what you want to do. So let's reel through them. And by the way, why can I talk about this subject? Because for the last 10 years, I've spent a lot of time raising investment, working in finance, and working with people who have not only gone on to make me a lot of money, but also I've made them a lot of money and I've raised a lot of money. So I have an idea of what I'm talking about and the best platform to do that. So let's start off with the famous Instagram. Is it the platform where you can make money? Yes, it is in terms of clients, brand deals, sponsorships, but I'm talking some larger money. I'm talking in building an empire that's going to make you hundreds of thousands, if not millions. Is Instagram the one to do it for you if perhaps you're just starting out on social media? Probably not. Instagram is very good at making it look like everyone has money. The Rolex, flying to Dubai, the cars, the lifestyle, the sunny beaches, all looks very easy. So looking like it's easy to make money is Instagram. It's very visually, aesthetically pleasing. However, I guarantee this, your followers and my followers, none of them, or if very few of them, are net millionaires ready to work with you, lend you money, or make you money. Very, very few of them. There are millionaires out there, of course, but very few of them on Instagram. Let's have a look at Facebook. I would say there's a slight increase. Yes, there's probably millionaires because there's a lot of businesses that have moved onto Facebook. But what we're looking for is the platforms where we can have direct interaction with the businesses, with the creators. So from consumer to creator, how close can we have a conversation? Now, YouTube is pretty much non-existent. We're watching a video, we can comment in the comment section and we can go on to the description box where we can click a link, but we never really get close enough to the person who we think has money, might lend us money, or how we can find if they've got money. It's not a great platform because there's not a close enough interaction. Twitter, well, it's just a thread feed. You know, you can put a quote, comment, articles. So we're never really engaging too much to find out if all three are there. So what I'm trying to say here is we need to get as close as we can to the people on social media. And the answer is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an absolute gold mine when it comes to making yourself money. I've done it personally for the last 10 years. It's made me a lot of money. I've done very well on LinkedIn. Now, granted, LinkedIn is not the most exciting platform, but it does serve all three to make, raise, and find money. We can identify business owners by referencing them from their profile to Companies House. What can we do on Companies House? We can find out how much their business turns over. Basically, it's a black book of information on how much they're making. We can also speak with them directly. And when I say that there are millionaires, multimillionaires, and billionaires on LinkedIn that you can talk with and drop into the DMs and have a conversation, I promise you it's a God's honest truth. I've done it. And what I'm going to do, and my editor's going to help me with this, on the screen, we're going to pop up all around my head just the thumbnails of the LinkedIn videos that I have done on my YouTube video. I will include them in the description below. We can just search them on my channel, and a lot of these videos around LinkedIn will help you find, make, and raise money. So LinkedIn, we can find out who they are, what they do by first degree, second degree, and third degree connection. We can demographically target an investor, a business owner, by a very simple trick. When you go to the search bar, if you open speech marks, type in business owner, or just type in business, close speech marks, open director, close speech marks, let's say investor, speech marks, close speech marks. What that does is that actually breaks down the titles. So when you hit search, you want to go to people and then second degree and third degree, and you're actually going to find everyone with those titles. So you can do a background check to find out if they have money, if you're able to borrow money, what industry they're in. So it's such an incredible platform, but it is boring. I totally get it. But if you can spend 20 to 30 minutes every day on this platform, I guarantee you are going to meet millionaires, multimillionaires, and billionaires. They're not on Instagram, they're not on Twitter, they're not on TikTok. They are all consumers majority, and they are looking to look like they've got money opposed to actually having money. What I will say, a quote, which is the God's honest truth, if you are looking to do any of the following, remember this: wealth whispers And a lot of people whisper and don't shout from the rooftops on LinkedIn. So if you haven't yet got one, set up a professional profile. Watch some of my other videos, because that's the God's honest truth. LinkedIn is where the money is. So if you liked this type of content and you want more, or you want me to do a specific video on LinkedIn, please do let me know in the comments below. Again, please do hit like and subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel. And again, go check out some of my previous videos, and I will see you all very soon.